Hello, this is Chris from EFX. Welcome to our tutorial to create a scene for your EFX frames. Before we get started, let's go over the purpose of scenes. Scenes allow you to connect multiple EFX frames together so that their actions synchronize with each other. This allows you to instantly apply previously selected functions to your set of EFX frames. From the main menus, select the plus button in the top right corner. Select Create Scene. Name the scene, then add the devices you'd like to include in the scene by selecting them under Add Devices. Select Save in the top right corner of the screen. Thank you for watching this setup tutorial. If you should have any further questions, please send us an email at info@efximagery.com.